Hello, my dear friends. Gather around because I have a special story to share with you today. It's about the importance of listening to our parents.
Yay, we love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time, in a forest much like ours, there was a little fox named Felix. Felix was very curious and loved to explore new places. One day, Felix's mother warned him not to go near the river because the current was very strong and dangerous.
Oh, what did Felix do?
Felix was very excited about exploring, and he thought, I'll just take a quick look. So he ran off towards the river, ignoring his mother's warning. When he got there, he saw the river sparkling in the sunlight. It looked so inviting that Felix went closer and closer.
Oh no, Felix, be careful!
Yes, Felix got too close and slipped into the water. The current was very strong, just as his mother had warned. Felix tried to swim but was quickly carried away by the rushing water. He was very scared and didn't know what to do.
Poor Felix, how did he get out?
Luckily, Felix's mother had followed him, knowing he might not listen. She saw him struggling and quickly called for help. A strong beaver named Bruno heard her calls and came rushing. Bruno used his strong tail to pull Felix out of the water and back to safety.
Thank goodness for Bruno and Felix's mom.
Yes, Felix was very thankful and learned a big lesson that day. He realized that his mother's advice was to keep him safe, not to stop his fun. From then on, Felix always listened to his parents and stayed away from danger.
Felix learned to be wise.
Indeed he did. Felix understood that parents give us rules to protect us because they love us. Listening to them is very important and keeps us safe.
What a beautiful story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. Remember, always listen to your parents. They want what's best for us and keep us safe. Now let's all go and enjoy the rest of this lovely evening together.
Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.